National Guard. He's served for a while, and I'm very proud of him. I miss him sometimes when he's gone, but I know that he's doing really good things. And I love you, Dad. Thank you for your service.
My grandpa was a foot soldier in the Vietnam War in 1963. He's retired right now, and I just want to say thank you and I love you.
My grandfather, John Stark, served in the United States Army for almost 40 years, and my mom, Julie Stark, served in the United States Army, in the reserves, and in active duty for 23 years.
My father was a machine gunner in the Marines. My cousin currently serves in the Air Force, and my brother is soon to join the Army ranks.
My family was a military family. I've had family members in the Air Force, the Marines, the Navy, the Army. I've pretty much just grown up in a military family and learned about it all my life.
My dad, Stephen McBride, was in the military for about 7 years, and then my grandpa was in the Navy. I'm not sure for how long. They're both still here today though, so.
My dad, Frank Ritchie Sr., has served 19 years in the U.S. military. He served in the U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Marine Corps, and the U.S. Army. In that time, he served 2 tours in Iraq. I'd like to thank my dad for showing me an example of somebody who can love their country and love their family. I'd also like to thank all the other veterans for what they have and continue to do for our country.